This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Karen Pitkin, an affordable gem across from a new park. This spacious bi-level has been perfect for this family while securing advanced degrees and is in great condition for new owners. Enjoy the open floor plan, sunny spacious rooms, and convenient location. The upper level features an open kitchen/dining/living space, 2 BRs and a full bath. There is a rear deck off this level. The lower level has a family room with new vinyl plank flooring, laundry, a third bedroom, second full bath and a one-car garage. The sellers have made many handsome updates including appliances, counters, tile, backsplash, carpet, vinyl, new front and rear doors, and updates to both baths. Furnace and air conditioner are just 3 years old. Washer and dryer are included. Any offers received on or before Friday, April 9, 2021 will be responded to Saturday, April 10, 2021 by 3 p.m.